Hello! In this video, we are going to review another public command of BIMLOGIQ Copilot. This public command is used to automatically create dimensions for architectural floor plans. In the first field, you define the dimension type you want to use. The second field is used to dimension the overall building size. By selecting this option, the outside-to-outside dimensions of the building will be created. The next field is used to create dimensions between grids. By selecting this option, the dimensions will be assigned to the existing grids in the view. The following field is used to create dimensions for the external walls of the project. When this option is selected, the external walls of the plan are detected, their dimensions are created, and they are placed outside the plan. The next field is used to dimension the openings in external walls. By selecting this option, you can define the reference for opening dimensions in the following field. The next field is used to create dimensions for curtain walls. When this option is selected, the curtain walls in the plan will be dimensioned automatically. The following field is used to dimension the internal walls of the plan. By selecting this option, the internal walls of the project will be dimensioned. As you can see, by selecting each option, you can create different types of dimensions. You can also enable multiple options at the same time and generate dimensions based on all of them. I hope this command is useful for you. Good luck!